Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the latest TikTok trend using CapCut 2023 in 70 photos. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to create your own visually stunning journey through the year using this awesome video editing app. Let's get started. Make sure that you have installed the CapCut application. If not, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the application. It's free. Now open the TikTok application and then we search for 2023 in 70 photos. You will get a bunch of videos with this template applied over them. Open any video that has this effect. And here tap on this button called CapCut. Try this template. This will open a CapCut application with this template. Wait 1 or 2 seconds till the CapCut opens. Tap on the Use Template option. This will open our photo gallery. This is the foundation of your TikTok journey, so make sure to select your favorite moments from 2023. First photo will last a couple of seconds and it will be the cover photo. So choose smartly. Explore CapCut's effects and transitions to add flair to your TikTok. Smooth transitions between photos create a polished look, keeping viewers engaged. Experiment to find the effects that suit your style. Fine-tune the timing of each photo transition. CapCut's timeline feature allows precise control, ensuring your TikTok flows seamlessly. Preview your video to make any necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied, export your masterpiece. Tap the Export button, and you're ready to share your 2023 in 70 photos TikTok trend with the world. Don't forget to use relevant hashtags and share it on your favorite social platforms. That's a wrap on creating the ultimate TikTok trend using CapCut. Keep in mind that you can also use Plus Your Video for Instagram Reel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your CapCut creations with me. I can't wait to see your amazing TikToks. Until next time, happy editing.